I'm Meredith from Arts and Classy, and you're watching Hometalk.
We begin this project with these beautiful Pottery Barn candlesticks that I found at Goodwill. As you can see, these candlesticks were significantly more expensive than what I actually paid for them if you had purchased them retail. Now I'm going to start with a chalk paint in linen white with some paint brushes. I always like to say this as a disclaimer before I paint any of my projects. If you live in a temperature that is below 30 degrees right now, this is the best solution you have unless you have an outdoor space that's enclosed that you can use spray paint. I think in normal circumstances I would have used a chalked paint spray paint version of this paint, but since it is blizzarding where I am at right now, this was my best viable option. But the beautiful thing about chalk paint is that it is pretty opaque and it doesn't take too many layers to get complete coverage over whatever you're painting. That's why it's one of my favorite things to use. All right, now that both of our candlesticks have been painted with several coats of chalk paint, we are going to give it a weathered look with a sanding block. So I'm going to start with my small candlestick and then we're going to move on to the larger one. But yeah, you're just going to lightly, I just want it to have kind of a little bit of a rustic look to it. I kind of want to smooth out some of the edges. So it's okay if the original finish kind of comes through a little bit. See, that's the look I'm kind of going for, where I got some of the original popping through. And that's usually pretty easy to accomplish on corners and edges. All right, so now that we've aged both of our candlesticks down a little bit, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be taking moss. I ordered a pack of moss on Amazon, and I took a little grass piece and I'm gonna be hot gluing it to the top of this candlestick. So I have my hot glue gun. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually put the hot glue on the candlestick itself, and then I'm just gonna place this moss together on it. Takes about a minute to set. And I've got these cute little bird figurines. I got a set of 3 of them and they're all different colors, also on Amazon. So really easy to find all the supplies you would need for this project. I'm gonna be hot gluing the bottom of the bird. We'll just leave that one alone for a second while it dries. And then we're gonna move on to another supply I got on Amazon, this cute little bird's nest with the cute little eggs in it and everything. I thought it was perfect for this project. And I will be hot gluing the bottom of the nest and adhering it to this fun little moss nest that we've created. I don't want to press down too hard because this is kind of delicate. Just want to make sure that it's properly adhered to this fun little moss piece. And we're going to let it both dry. And then we're going to put it in our home so it's the perfect spring decor. Right, there you have it. I have my wonderful, cute, budget-friendly bird and nest spring decor that would look wonderful in any home. Thank you so much for watching Home Talk, and I will see you next time. Bye!